Oh my God, are you ready to bring your AI art to life? Whether you've been creating stunning mid-journey visuals or just dreaming of turning your wildest ideas into animated magic, today's your lucky day. We're diving into the world of AI animation and GIF creation, where static images become moving, sparkling, hypnotic masterpieces, all with the power of AI. Because let's be real, static images are cute, but animation? That's where the magic happens. Animated visuals grab attention, boost engagement, and tell stories in a way that a still pic just can't. And the best part? You don't need animation skills. Just a little AI-powered pixie dust. So how do we turn a still image into a moving masterpiece? With AI-powered tools, of course. Here are my top faves for adding motion, sparkle, and life to your AI art. First up, Runway ML, your AI-powered video and motion magic studio. This one lets you turn static images into cinematic AI motion clips, remove backgrounds, and create mind-blowing effects with just a few clicks. Next, we have Pika Labs, aka your personal AI animator. Just upload your image, describe the movement you want, and watch it transform into a smooth, stylized video clip. It's giving high-fashion AI vibes, and I am here for it. Oh, and if you want to make your AI art move to the beat, then Kaiber AI is your bestie. This tool syncs your visuals with music, so you can create trippy, cinematic edits that look straight out of a music video. And what if you want your AI characters to actually talk? Say hello to HeyGen and Akool. These tools animate faces, add lip syncing, and bring your digital twin to life. Imagine a digital clone like me, Angelina, spilling AI secrets of my mastermind Angelina milajki, maybe in an animated educational series like this for you to enjoy. Iconic, right? Another fave? D-ID. If you want your oracle cards, digital twins, or AI guides to talk like a real person, this tool brings it to life in hyper-realistic motion. Perfect for storytelling. And last, but definitely not least, Canva's AI animation tools let you turn social media graphics into animated GIFs in just a few clicks, perfect for eye-catching posts, ads, and e-cards. Okay, let's break it down. Creating an AI animation is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Generate your AI image, Midjourney, DALL-E, or Photoshop, whatever you love. Upload it into an AI animation tool like Runway ML, Pika Labs, HeyGen, Akool, or D-ID. Add motion, effects, or lip syncing, then export as GIF or MP4. Boom! You now have an animated masterpiece ready to post, share, and totally flex on Instagram, TikTok, or even as digital art for sale. Want to make your animations even more magical? Here are some pro tips. Use color-changing effects to create a hypnotic aesthetic. Layer AI animations with text and overlays for next-level storytelling. Loop short clips into mesmerizing GIFs for maximum impact. Experiment with cinematic lighting and transitions for professional vibes. And don't forget, GIFs and animations get way more engagement than static images. So if you want to go viral, stand out, and level up your content, this is the way. The secret sauce to make it magical is your unique storytelling. Now go explore and have fun. Don't forget to share your creations with me at Angelina milajki on Instagram, #unleash your creative superpower, with extra rainbow sparkles. Always.